Red Robin's amazing here in Clearwater, Florida. We got the giant 4-patty birthday burger. It's the Shroomy burger with bacon, mushrooms, and all of the fixings. It couldn't be bigger. They added 3 extra patties with extra cheese onto it for a birthday celebration. That's one monster hamburger. It looks delicious and it tastes even better. It's amazing what they can do here at Red Robin. Look at that. It's like, you cannot fit that in your mouth. It's just absolutely mouth-wateringly delicious. And it's a colossal hamburger, colossal cheeseburger, colossal bacon burger. The French fries are crisp and delicious. The meal is out of this world. What a better way. You couldn't ask for a better way to celebrate your birthday other than here in beautiful Clearwater, Florida. They've got fake snow outside because it's just so balmy and nice. But here in Red Robin, things are sizzling. Come to Florida, come to Clearwater, and come to Red Robin. It's the best that there is.